foundation.
Picture mo na kayo. Si Lady Patricia.
Sobrang pogi.
Solo. Dito siya muna.
Tinanggal ko sa tignan niya.
Okay.
Maglalay ba talaga kayo? Parang magkapatid.
One more.
Okay. Ba't parang bigla siyang lumaki?
Oo.
Bigla
Siyang binata agad.
Binatagan.
The messy hair na ayaw ng tatay niya.
Ayun na, bakit? Ano daw?
Mas gusto ko yan.
Oo nga, di ba? Karakter.
Alam ko, ano to, yung, di ba, yung mga Formula 1, yung mga car race.
You look like her son. Teka lang ha, anak.
Anak.
Ina.
Nakabidyo kayo. Ay, live. Oo nga pala, live to.
Oh my God.
Live ba?
Ayan lang.
Hindi naman. Magpag-video ka na. Wait lang.
Unang tanong si Noli.
Okay. Lady Patricia, what's the reason behind this impromptu press con?
Siyempre, I'm very proud mom na si Robert ay isa sa napili na makasama sa isang runway sa Paris Week this coming October. At ang kanyang designer is a Hollywood fashion designer na si Kenneth Barles.
Okay. How excited and how important this Paris fashion week for you?
Well, for me, this is like one of the most important moments of my life. I'm going to Paris for a fashion show, and yeah,
Is this your first time in Paris?
No, this is
In
my
France?
second time.
Okay. This time, what do you look forward to aside from the fashion week?
I look forward to the food,
Okay.
the Paris food, and Eiffel Tower as well.
Okay.
So how are you preparing for this?
Sorry, what?
How are you preparing for this modeling?
I'm preparing from diet, eating healthy food like salads and meats, and also with working out. I work out about every day, and also keeping my back aligned with my dad, and he's really keeping me in check so that I'm in peak condition.
Paano siya napili?
Siyempre, di ba, nakita nila kasi na si Robert ay nag-fashion show sa mga international na. Kaya, ang laki rin, gusto ko rin magpasalamat kay Don Cristobal na lagi niya nasasama yung mga anak sa fashion show niya. So, nakita nila Kenneth Barles na kasi kumuha sila ng mga ibang lahi doon, might as well kumuha sila ng mga dito sa atin, sa Philippines, at yun nga, nakita nila si Robert na may potential na mabigyan ng opportunity na makarun sa Paris.
Wow. Ilan ang isusuot niya na gawa ni Kenneth?
4.
Wow, dami. Anong reaction mo the first time nang in-offer sa kanya yung ano niya?
Siyempre, sobrang meron ko tears of joy kasi 'di ba ako as a person parang I never had yung ganong opportunity na makapag-lakad sa Paris, 'di ba? Alam naman natin Paris is like a capital, fashion capital, 'di ba? Si Heart Evangelista nga, 'di ba? O tapos ngayon si Robert, 'di ba? Na-invite for that kaya sobrang happy talaga ako. And then sabi ko kay Robert, itong gagawin mong paglakad doon, it's not only for yourself, it's for our country. Di ba? Na Pilipino na nai-invite namin, di ba? Na makasali sa ganito.
How do you feel that your mom's very proud of you, of your achievement?
Well, I'm very happy that it's something that I'm doing, and I'm really happy that my mom is happy for me. Yeah, and it just makes me happy that she's happy.
Okay.
How young are you?
17.
17. With girlfriend or with no girlfriend?
Secret.
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 We also
Siyempre
heard.
may mga crush na yan.
We also heard that you're pursuing a career in chiropractic, is that right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what prompted you to follow the footsteps of your dad?
So, I feel like from the very beginning, I always felt like I enjoyed helping others. And it's really, I don't know, it's a passion. And so I want to take that further into spreading words of good news and diagnosing people. And I just thought that with the company and the business my parents have already made for me, I want to take it a step further.
So how long it will take to finish the whole process? You're studying chiropractic.
6 to 7 years.
Oh.
Do you have male models you look up to? male model that you have to
You look up to.
I would say my dad.
Sino kasama niya sa Paris?
Siyempre, sa sobrang excited namin
Oo.
kaming lahat.
Okay, oo.
Oo, kasama si Doc, tsaka yung aming si Ryan Drapes, yung gusto namin. At saka kasi, ano sila, wala silang school. Summer
Break
break
ngayon.
muna.
Break.
Saan siya nag-aaral ngayon?
Sa Faith Academy.
What grade?
12.
12. And so you're going to be in college already next year.
Yes,
What school in college and what
What
course?
do you plan?
Huwag mo na daw. Secret mo na yung ano. Pag
Ako muna.
nakapasa ka na.
Yung course, biology po.
Biology.
Premier.
Yeah,
Premier.
Kasi sa totoo lang, kaya siya busy na hindi siya makapag-showbiz talaga. Siya, gusto mo na daw niyang mag-focus dun sa exam kasi yung kanyang papasukan na college dito, talagang medyo higher yung standard nila. O, sabi niya, gusto ko munang makapasa and then after that, maybe that's the time.
Ako sinabi na niya sa akin kanina.
Ang sinabi
Oo,
niya.
syempre.
Why biology?
Why biology?
Why biology?
Why not directly to a chiropractor course?
Well, that is connected to chiropractic. It's human biology.
Your father's already a #1 in the Philippines in chiropractic practice, no? But why are you still going to study? We have a saying that experience is the best teacher.
You can
So
tell
why
your
am I
father
still going to study if my dad is already a chiropractor?
Yes.
Because in order for me to work, I need a license book.
Siyempre, kailangan niya maging doktor.
Yeah.
Diba?
What is your height?
I'd say 6 foot.
Robert, you're still the reigning Mr. Teen International. When is the next pageant and when are you turning over your crown?
I'm pretty sure the pageant
This year.
yeah, it's this year.
Mga ano din yan, mga late October yan.
And,
Sa Singapore yata.
Okay. And are you eyeing to join other competition? Not teen anymore.
Or
I'm of course willing to get more titles if the opportunity is there.
And through your supportive mo.
Hindi kasi sabi ko sa kanya, syempre later on, hindi ka na teen, di ba?
Parang maganda yung Noble King din. Kasi Noble Queen yung mother.
At kailan nga yung fashion week sa Paris?
Sa October 4 po.
4.
Sa Ritz Hotel.
So siya lang hotel.
Oo. Isa sa well-known hotel sa Paris.
Aside from modeling, what else do you want?
I also like doing commercials and
Mahilig din siya mag-drawing.
About sa sports.
sports. Mahilig ko sa swimming at saka tennis po.
Tapos this coming November, meron siyang kasama siya dun sa designer na ni Don Cristobal.
Philippines yan.
Oo, meron siyang ilalabas ng mga din niya, ng mga design niya sa denims. Yeah. So doon niya ipipaint yung kanyang
What if somebody spotted you in Paris and they got you as one of the models, but you have to stay there and you have to stop your schooling?
Their offers.
I'm not sure. I haven't thought of that, but maybe I'll study in Paris.
Oo, kasi meron din chiropractic school there.
Queen Patricia, any upcoming showbiz projects or talagang
This time kasi this year, sabi ko, I'll just focus talaga in our Docra business. And then sabi ko, pag naging smooth na lahat, tapos nakakuha ko ng mga tao na kahit wala ako, pwedeng mag-manage ng business namin. Diba? But next, sabi ko kay Docra, maybe hopefully next year, I can go back sa showbiz talaga na makagawa. And then, but this time sabi ko, I wanna produce or direct a film.
Parang may iba naman eh.
Oo, kasi actually meron kaming batang-bata to na talagang inaalagaan namin. So siya gumagawa ng mga videos ni Doctor and she's really a very good editor, si Lara Summer. So gusto ko siyang bigyan ng chance na makagawa kami ng magandang, kahit muna short films or hindi film.
bago yan?
Yeah. So syempre mga actor, kayo, kasama kayo.
Wow, okay, sige.
And tonight is the finals of Noble Queen Philippines, Queen Patricia. So, ilan yung mananalo dito na mag-compete sa international competition?
Actually, meron kami sa kanilang surprise. Sabihin ko na sa inyo kung ang surprise namin. Siyempre, usually we need to get only 3 Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. But sabi namin ni Queen Erin, sabi namin, ang Noble Queen kasi, you wanna give chance sa ating mga kababaihan. Diba? So, for tonight, yung tatlong may title na Luzon, Visayas, syempre forever title na nila. And then yung first runner-up at saka second runner-up, gusto namin silang bigyan ng chance na maka-join pa rin sa international. Pero ang requirements nila is talagang ayusin nila yung kanilang charity. Yung, kasi kailangan mag-pass 3 minutes about your advocacy. So, kung yun, ma-approve yun ni Queen Erin, that's the time na we can decide na pwede ulit sila mag-join for international.
So, Miss Patricia, going back to sa fashion, ano yung ina-advise niyo sa kanya going into the fashion?
Siyempre, like ko sinasabi, I always told my anak, just enjoy the moment. You know, not all people given the opportunity na makapag-fashion show ng gano'n. Nakarampa, di ba, sa Paris.
Fashion week.
Oo, di ba? Sabi ko sa kanya, anak, nasa Paris ka na, susunod ko na, baka Dubai naman. Diba? So, yun lang yung advice ko sa anak ko, enjoy lang niya itong journey na ito. And then, always be grateful sa lahat ng tao na tutulong sa atin. Tsaka, always be humble.
Miss Patricia, we always see you in social media doing charity works. Siyempre kasama si Robert doon. Any upcoming charity work na naka-inline for you, for your upper doctoral at saka Noble Queen?
Sa amin naman kasi yung charity namin talaga, kahit merong parang every week or every katulad nung kasi nagkaroon tayo ng bagyo, di ba? So marami sa kababayan natin sa bandang Antipolo, malapit lang din sa amin na talagang kailangan ng tulong. So yun naman ay ang Noble Queen and Doctor Foundation, talagang gusto namin na kahit mali yung sa konti namin pwedeng kayang maitulong, makatulong.
Okay.
Good luck. Congratulations.
Maybe you would invite them to join us later sa live ng Noble Queen?
Yes, sa lahat ng mga viewers ni Ferdy,
Eventology.
sa Eventology.
We're live, yeah.
Ayan, live kayo mamaya. Panoodin niyo po ang National Coronation Night ng Noble Queen of the Universe. Ayan. At maraming rin silang mga konting surprises para sa atin.
Yung ba kay Robert, live din ba yung Paris Fashion Week? Mapapanood ba namin?
Alam mo, siguro dapat i-live na, no?
Yeah.
Sige.
Kasi share na lang.
Sige.
Siya lang ba yung Pinoy na
Oo, sila may Pinoy.
I think so. Oo. Tapos kasi yung ibang mga kinuha na taga-dugot na eh. And then syempre ngayon, di ba, uso-uso, i-segue ko na rin uso-uso ngayon ang sakit, di ba? Ang flu, ang ubo, lahat-lahat. At yung Mpox, di ba, kumakalat. Gusto lang po namin i-share how wonderful is this immune boost. Talaga pong nakakabusto ng immune system nito. Yan. So,
Na-try na namin
Proven yan, proven.
Proven ba?
So, proven po talaga na talagang it really help your body talaga na maging healthy at hindi lang po
At
yan
nakaka-elsa.
at gaganda ka pa, di ba? So, isa po namin ay pwede na po itong mabili sa Heyday, yan, sa Glorieta. And then, syempre sa lahat ng branch ng Doc Rob at sa online po namin Doc
Yung
Rob.
gawin sa masakit. Pero kapag yung maintenance ko ng bakit, na vitamins.
Morning.
Once a day.
Once a day.
Watching. Thank you for the support, and I hope you guys see me in Paris, October 4th.
You're so guwapo.
Merci beaucoup. O, di ba? Ako talaga yung
Parang lumaki na agad.
Ganda ng boses, no?
Sobra. At saka bagay na bagay
Bumbo.
sa Paris Fashion Show.
Oo. Kami Paris lang.
Wala bang siyang chance na mag-showbiz talaga? Ayun.
Hindi, yan, pag nakapasok na yun dun sa